Well, hello, everyone. I hope that you, yes, you, are having the most beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever in the world that you are. My name is Kimberly Ann O'Connor. I'm a certified professional hypnotist and trainer. I have been since 2012, and we are going to move into deep, serving, soothing hypnosis, deep, serving, soothing sleep, as you are invited to connect with the spirit of nature in your mind's eye, in the physical world, energetically. Before we move into this session, before we move into sleep, a few very quick points of business. Firstly, if you would like to do something more, do something less, start doing something, stop doing something. If you would like to bring joy and power and freedom to places and spaces and habits in your life that historically have brought struggle and resistance, please visit my website, consultinghypnosis.ca. You'll find rates and information and testimonials, and you can book your complimentary no obligation consultation with me there. That's consultinghypnosis.ca. Thank you so much for all of the love and support for these sessions, for this channel, on the podcast, on the Patreon. It means so much to me that we're growing as a community. Thank you for your likes, your comments. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. It makes such a difference for me. It lights up every day. It is the manifestation and actualization of my greatest dream, which is to share the power of hypnosis with as many people globally as possible in my lifetime. So thank you for being such an important part of that. And now, without further ado, all of the veterans of this community know that I am about to say a few things, and so here I go. Firstly, please ensure that the autoplay is off. You don't want content running all night long, all day long through your nap without your conscious choice and decision. Please ensure that the volume is just so that you can hear me clearly, but I'm not overbearing or annoying at all. And I'd like you to do a scan from the top of your head all the way down through to the soles of your feet. Ensure you're not hungry or thirsty. Ensure your clothes are comfortable. Ensure you don't need to go to the washroom. And now, just relax, finding a comfortable position laying down. Find a position that feels so comfortable and relaxed it feels as though you are already asleep. Remembering that throughout this entire experience, any other sounds that you may hear aside from the sound of my voice will only serve to remind you that you're safe and in control, in fact. Any other sounds that you may hear aside from the sound of my voice will only serve to bring you deeper and deeper into hypnosis, deeper and deeper into sleep. You'll notice that with each and every exhalation, as you allow yourself to ground and get present, you will feel more and more relaxed. In fact, with each and every exhalation, you will feel yourself letting go and relaxing, deeper and deeper moving into hypnosis, deeper and deeper moving into sleep with each and every exhalation. Now, close your eyes. Nowhere else to be, nothing else to do, but listen to the sound of my voice and focus on adjusting. Anytime you need to make any adjustments, if you need to sneeze or scratch or wiggle or sneeze or swallow, know that it's serving you, serving your experience of hypnosis, serving your experience of sleep. In fact, any adjustments you make to be more comfortable will bring you deeper and deeper into hypnosis, deeper and deeper into sleep. With your eyes closed, doing a scan from the top of your head, all the way down through to the soles of your feet, making any adjustments you need to make now and at any point to be as comfortable as possible. Nowhere else to be, nothing else to do, but listen to the sound of my voice and focus on relaxing as deeply and completely as possible. Doing a scan from the top of your head all the way down through to the soles of your feet. Ensure that you feel supported and comfortable. Making any adjustments you need to make to feel as though you are already so comfortable, so supported, that it feels as though you are already asleep. And now, with your eyes closed, you will continue to develop the skill of deep relaxation, which is so important for health, stress reduction, stress management, and overall health and well-being as you move into deep, serving, soothing hypnosis, deep, serving, soothing sleep. In this relaxed position, take a deep, full breath, and as you let it out, let your whole body begin to relax and unwind more completely now. Taking another deep, full breath when the time is right. As you exhale, let that breath move and carry any tension out of your body that you no longer need. Allow a feeling of peace to move over you. Enjoy a pleasant, enjoyable sensation of being comfortable and at ease now. Now, moving your attention more completely over your body, begin to pay close attention to the signals and sensations you can feel and detect. Find the place or the muscle now that is most strongly tensed or exerted, and with your consciousness, allow it to let go of its hold now. Begin to let all of your muscles all over your body let go of their hold and tension and stress. Feeling supported, let these areas go limp and loose. Now, direct your attention to the top of your head and allow a feeling of relaxation to begin there. Allow it now to move downward through your body. Let the small muscles of your scalp melt and relax. Let the muscles of your forehead melt and relax. Devote special attention to your forehead and feel the muscles there letting go of their hold. Very good. Let all the muscles all over your body relax, relax, relax your eyebrows, your eyes, your eyelids. Let all the muscles around your back and the sides of your head relax so completely, even your ears. Now let your jaw muscles relax. Allow your jaw to droop and drop slightly. Don't deliberately let your jaw open or close. Just let your jaw relax and float freely. Allow the muscles of your cheeks and your lips to relax and grow limp now. All the muscles of your face and your hands have let go of their hold, and they are now very, very relaxed. Now, let the muscles of your neck relax. Let them relax and melt. Let your shoulders relax and melt. Feeling heavy, let them sag downward as you release and relax. The muscles that come down from the sides of your neck, all the way down through to your shoulders. This sensation of relaxation moves down to the muscles of your chest, your upper back. Let those muscles release their hold. Let your shoulder muscles go completely limp. Let your arms rest heavily with your hands feeling so comfortable, so supported. Make any adjustments you need to make at any point to feel as comfortable as possible. You have no desire whatsoever to move any single muscle in your entire body unless it's to make an adjustment that feels so good, and that adjustment allows you to move deeper and deeper into hypnosis, deeper and deeper into sleep. Any other sounds that you may hear aside from the sound of my voice only serves to remind you that you're safe and in control. In fact, any other sounds that you may hear aside from the sound of my voice only serves to bring you deeper and deeper into hypnosis, deeper and deeper into sleep. Down your arms, you relax through your stomach, letting your breath move more fully and completely through your chest and abdomen and back. Let the muscles of your spine relax. all the way down either side of your spine that runs from the base of your skull down to the tip of your spine. Relax, relax the large muscles in your thighs. Relax, relax your hips. Let these muscles go completely limp. Feel your entire body becoming so extremely relaxed. Relax the muscles of your knees and calves. Make sure to relax the muscles on the front of your legs, your shins. Let your ankles fall free and loose. Make any adjustments you need to make to allow any part of your body to relax more and more completely now. So it is, so it shall be. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, relax more completely. Let any area that's still holding any stress or tension let go of its hold now. Your entire body is free and loose and so profoundly relaxed. And in a moment I will count from 1 to 20. On each count you can allow this experience of relaxation, hypnosis, and sleep to double. And I don't know what double relaxation, hypnosis, and sleep feels like for you, but you do. And with every count that I make from 1 to 20, your experience of relaxation, hypnosis, and sleep doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Deep, deep, deep relaxation, deep, deep, deep hypnosis, deep, deep, deep sleep. I'd like you to imagine that you're standing at the top of a staircase and there are 10 steps down. Each step down enables you to go deeper and deeper into hypnosis, deeper and deeper into sleep. You feel your hand on the handrail as you step down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep, deep, deep hypnosis, deep, deep, deep sleep. Connect with the spirit of nature now. There's a reason why spending time outside refreshes you, regardless of the weather. It's more than the air, trees, and sunshine. It's the free spirit permeating the great outdoors that revives you, a force that is the very breath of nature. This energy has a cleansing effect. A simple walk outside will remove any stale residue from stress, arguments, worry, and other emotional pollutants. The spirit of Mother Nature lovingly replaces lower energies with her higher vibration. It's similar to a laser beam zapping unwanted elements. Now, in your mind's eye, connect with the spirit by imagining you are outside in the glory of nature now. Nature is everywhere, including city streets, so no need to feel a specific place or space is better or worse than another. No need to believe you need to drive to the countryside. Now in your mind's eye, these benefits are present, whether there's a direct connection to the atmosphere or not. In your mind's eye, step outside. Breathe deeply and connect with the cleansing spirit of nature. Connect with the spirit of nature. You spend time outdoors. When you go out, you connect with the powerful and healing spirit of nature, and you allow it to cleanse and lift your energy. Spending this time this way is a gift that you regularly give to yourself. So it is, so it shall be. Connect with the spirit of nature. You spend time outdoors. When you go out, you connect with the powerful and healing spirit of nature, and you allow it to cleanse and lift your energy. Spending time this way is a gift that you regularly give to yourself. So it is, so it shall be. Connect with the spirit of nature. You spend time outdoors. When you go out, you connect with the powerful and healing spirit of nature, and you allow it to cleanse and lift your energy. Spending time this way is a gift that you regularly give to yourself. So it is, so it shall be. So it is, so it shall be. So it is, so it shall be. Connect with the spirit of nature in a moment. I will count from 10 down to 1. On each count, you'll feel yourself drifting deeper and deeper into hypnosis, deeper and deeper into sleep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep, deep, deep hypnosis. Deep, deep, deep sleep.